When should you plant your seeds? And surprises come from seeds. This is part of step 5, transform your forest floor. So in the description below, I've put a link to the Old Farmer's Almanac, which was founded in 1792 and still serves growers today. Check it out for guidance on when to plant your seeds based on your location. And as I've said before, in Southern California, I usually plant seeds during a rainstorm. So check out that link. And I wanted to just let you know that sometimes surprises come from seeds. Although they're tiny, they're full of potential and will sprout if given the right conditions. Once they grow, they become a realized life and can create an infinite number of new seeds. Seed offspring will naturally vary slightly from their parent seeds. And in the food forest, it seems that they pick up characteristics from plants of other species. For example, in this picture in the description box below, there's a nasturtium flower that grew from seed. And I was shocked when I saw the ruffly-edged leaves because I've been growing nasturtiums for 40 years or something. And I've never seen a ruffly edged nasturtium leaf. They're always more round, like a water lily type shape. So these ruffly edged leaves surprised me, and they look different from previous generations of nasturtiums. And they strangely look like a Malva plant growing nearby. Malva is in the marshmallow family. And the Malva leaves have that ruffly edge. And I do believe that those leaves somehow picked up characteristics of the Malva. So, and in the picture, you can notice the regular round nasturtium leaves at the top of the picture and the more star-shaped leaves in the lower part of the picture. So this generation of seeds changed due to its environment. It's amazing what you can learn by observing nature. And then if you save those seeds, you're going to get a very unique plant, and you have very special seeds there. Seeds adapt to their environment season over season, surprising and mystifying us with their ability to transform. Seeds are food and an investment in food for the future. Eat some of your seeds and plant some. And once planted in the soil, seeds may come up years later when the conditions are right. So many times I have forgotten I ever planted a seed until the moment when I see it spring up through the mulch. And then I say, oh, yes, I do remember planting you. And sometimes I see seeds, obviously, that spring up through the mulch that I didn't plant. And those are what we usually call weeds, right? And then we get to know what they are and we decide whether we like them or not. So here is some food for thought. Plant your seeds wisely. And I love that because when I think of that, I also think of our words, our seeds that we plant into the firmament, into the ether around us. So use your words wisely, plant your seeds wisely. And that is it for step 5, transform your forest floor. Woohoo, food forester. You are on to step 6 of the 8-step path to creating a food forest. Yay!